back with Best Life with V. I have two wonderful recipes today that touches on the skin. Basically focuses on the skin. It helps to tighten the skin. Helps if you have dry skin issues or wrinkles. If you want to even your skin tone. It's also a detox. So we're going to get into it. One of the main ingredients is carrots. And we know that lowers the cholesterol and is great for your eyes. We have celery that lowers the blood pressure, we know, and promotes healthy bones. We have apples that helps with the weight loss and improves your gut. Wonderful ingredients, beets, cleanse the liver. And we have lemon juice, which flushes out the toxins. We're going to put a cup of water in to get started. So we're going to get the water in. We're going to do a half a cup of squeezed lemon juice or lime juice. We got a half a cup of carrot. We have celery, half a cup of celery. We have the apples. You can get red or green. Last but not least, beetroots, which helps with your heart and the blood flow. So let's blend. See the red color? The beetroot is really known for cleansing the liver. And this will definitely help you. So for our second recipe, you're going to need a whole lemon. Not just the juice this time. You're going to peel the whole lemon. Make sure you get the seeds out. You're going to need a half a cup of a carrot. You're going to need a small tomato. You're going to need a red bell pepper. And you're going to need a red apple. So let's get started. First, you're going to put in the water. Cup of water. You're going to get in a half a cup of your carrots. You got the red bell pepper this time, which is great for your immune system. We're going to do the lemon. Get that lemon in there. We have tomatoes, which is great to help reduce cancers and rich in beta carotene. We have red apples. We're going to blend. That's quick and easy. Most of the time you already have the ingredients right in your fridge. This is another wonderful recipe that will help tighten your skin. Oh, that's wonderful. You can really taste the red bell pepper and the lemon. That's wonderful. Thanks for watching.